Are you excited to dive into the wonders of science? Welcome to STEM Scholars Hub, an open-access online STEM library. I am Mr. Barbado. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of ecosystems by building our very own miniature versions right in a jar. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and unleash your inner ecologist. This experiment is a fantastic way to witness the interconnectedness of life and understand the delicate balance that keeps our planet thriving. So, gather your materials, put on your thinking caps, and let's get started. Imagine holding a whole ecosystem in your hands, a tiny world teeming with life. This small enclosed environment is a perfect example of nature's incredible ability to sustain itself. That's precisely what we're creating today, a self-sustaining ecosystem in a jar. It's a fascinating process that mimics the larger ecosystems found in nature. This miniature marvel replicates the natural world, showcasing how living organisms interact with each other and their environment to create a balanced and harmonious system. It's a delicate dance of life where every element has its role. Our jar will house a variety of plants, each playing a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem's equilibrium. From the smallest moss to the tallest fern, every plant contributes to the overall health of this tiny world. We'll also have a bit of water to keep things hydrated, ensuring that the plants have the moisture they need to thrive, and some air to facilitate essential processes like photosynthesis and respiration. This balance of water, air, and plant life creates a self-sustaining environment that can thrive with minimal intervention. Plants are the superstars of our ecosystem jar, acting as tiny factories that harness energy from the sun. They are the silent heroes, tirelessly working day and night to keep our environment balanced and thriving. Through a process called photosynthesis, they use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce their food, sugars, and release oxygen into the air. This process not only sustains the plants themselves, but also provides the oxygen that all living creatures need to survive. It's like magic, but with chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green pigment in plants that captures sunlight and makes this incredible process possible. But plants don't just make their own food, they also need to breathe. This breathing process is essential for their survival and growth. Just like us, they use oxygen for a process called respiration, which breaks down sugars to release energy for growth and other functions. These tiny pores, called stomata, are crucial for gas exchange. This continuous cycle of photosynthesis and respiration is the engine that drives our ecosystem. Without it, life as we know it would not be possible. Plants truly are the hardest workers in the jar. Section 4. Water, water everywhere. Water is the lifeblood of any ecosystem, and our jar is no exception. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of life within this miniature world. Inside the jar, water continuously cycles through a mini version of the water cycle. This cycle is essential for the survival of all living organisms within the jar. Water from the soil is absorbed by plant roots and released into the air through transpiration. This process not only nourishes the plants but also helps regulate the humidity within the jar. As the air inside the jar cools, the water vapor condenses and forms tiny droplets on the glass, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's processes. These droplets eventually return to the soil to be absorbed again, completing the cycle. This continuous movement of water is vital for the health of the ecosystem. This continuous cycle ensures that water is constantly available for the plants to thrive, providing them with the necessary hydration and nutrients, mimicking the natural water cycle that sustains life on Earth. This intricate dance of water is what makes life possible, both inside our jar and in the vast ecosystems of our planet. Section 5. From waste to resource nutrient cycling. In a self-sustaining ecosystem, nothing goes to waste. Even dead plant matter and other organic materials become valuable resources through a process called nutrient cycling. Tiny decomposers in the soil break down this organic matter, releasing essential nutrients back into the ecosystem. These nutrients are then reabsorbed by the plants, providing them with the nourishment they need to grow and thrive. This efficient recycling system ensures that resources are continuously reused, minimizing waste and contributing to the ecosystem's long-term sustainability. To wrap up our fascinating journey into building a self-sustaining ecosystem in a jar, let's test your understanding with a few questions. First, what is the role of plants in our ecosystem jar? Second, how does the water cycle function within the jar? Third, what is nutrient cycling and why is it important? We hope you enjoyed this experiment and learned a lot. For more exciting STEM content, visit our website at www.stemscholarshub.net or www.innovatewithmorebarbado.com. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.